Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm recording from my awesome mini yoga studio in Zurich, and we're gonna start in Shavasana. So the sequence I've designed today is very simple, but a lot of fun. We'll begin by just calming the mind, calming the body, and bringing the awareness to the present. Take a few deep breaths in Shavasana. One more deep breath. Then on the next inhale, we're going to raise our legs up into reclined staff pose. So soles of the feet facing the ceiling, just letting the blood flow in a different direction. Feel free to open your eyes now or keep them closed. Continue to breathe deeply. Then we'll raise the arms up by our ears and begin to rock upwards into a seat. So do this rocking motion a few times, and then maybe on the third, or fourth, or fifth time, rock up into chair pose. Hold chair pose for just a second, and then exhale down into your forward fold. Inhale to your halfway lift, so neck in line with spine, spine nice and straight. Exhale again, forward fold. Feel free to bend the knees. Next inhale, rise up all the way to mountain. Exhale, palms to chest. Inhale, sweep the hands back up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come to your halfway lift. Exhale, hands to the mat, and we'll step it back into plank. Then lower yourself to your stomach and inhale to cobra, just a gentle cobra. Exhale, down dog. Again, bend the knees, be gentle to yourself. Just getting started here, so you might be stiff. Hold the down dog. Take some deep breaths. Next inhale, we're going to raise our right leg up, three-legged dog. Exhale, arch to the back and step between the hands. Sink back on that left knee, come into your low lunge position. Just hold for a second. You can curl the toes on the left leg under or lay the top of the foot flat on the mat. From here we'll lift back up, place the right foot back, enter to plank, then cobra, and meet in down dog. Take a deep breath here in down dog. Next inhale, we'll raise the left leg up, arch to the back, step it between the hands, and sink into low lunge on the other side. Breathe deep. Hold for a moment longer. And then lift up on that right leg. Place the left leg back. Come down onto your stomach. Inhale to cobra. And then exhale to down dog. Breathe in down dog. Maybe find some nice movement. Then next inhale, walk up between the hands, come into your halfway lift, and then exhale down to forward fold. Next inhale, rise up all the way to mountain. Palms together. Exhale, hands to heart. We'll pick up the pace here again and do that sun salutation one more time. So inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step it back to plank and come down onto your stomach. Inhale to cobra and exhale to down dog. Next inhale, we'll raise that right leg up, step it forward into the low lunge position again. So sinking that left knee back down to the mat. Find your natural breath as you hold this lunge. Then we'll raise back up, come into your plank. Exhale down to the mat, inhale to cobra. Take your time and then push the hips up and back and meet me in down dog. Next inhale, we'll raise that left leg up, step it forward into low lunge, lowering the right knee to the mat. Place the hands on the mat, step it back to your plank again, lower down to your stomach, inhale to cobra. Exhale, push the hips up and back, down dog. Maybe find some nice movement in down dog. Take a few deep breaths here. The next inhale, walk between the hands, come into your halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. And then next inhale, rise all the way back up to mountain. Exhale, hands to heart. Then keeping our fast pace, we're going to inhale again, raise those arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Take one more vinyasa flow here. So inhaling next up to halfway lift. Exhaling, heading down onto our stomach through the plank pose. Inhaling to cobra. And exhaling to down dog. Take a breath in down dog, and then next inhale we're going to raise our right leg up to three-legged dog and try and reach our foot briefly towards our head, so adding a little back bend there. Then stepping the foot up between the hands, pivoting on the back left foot into a warrior stance, and inhale, rise up to warrior one, and then quickly transition to warrior two. From warrior two, we're going to add some pulses, so leaning towards your right side or towards your right bent leg. We'll do this 4 times. So leaning, and then exhaling back to warrior two. Inhaling to tilt, exhale back to warrior two. One more. Exhale back, warrior two. Nice. Warrior one again. Hold for a brief moment. Exhale, warrior two, and then reverse warrior. So left arm on the left leg, right arm reaches up to the ceiling. Exhale, windmill those hands back down, step it back to plank, take your vinyasa flow. Heading through cobra and exhale down dog. Take a breath here. Then we'll inhale, raise that left leg, reach the foot for the head. They do not have to meet, just the intention is what matters. Get your warrior stance with the left leg forward this time. Inhale to warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. And pulse 4 times, so tilting towards the left bent leg this time. Inhale to pulse, exhale warrior two. One more. tilt back to the front for warrior one. And then connect that right arm with the back of right leg. Left arm reaches up for the ceiling for reverse warrior. Exhale, windmill those hands down, step it back to plank, and take the vinyasa flow one last time. We'll meet in down dog. Find a little bit of movement once you're in down dog. Maybe pedaling the feet, pedaling the legs. Then we'll inhale, walk up between the hands, come into halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, interlace the hands behind your back. Try and press the hands forward past your head. You should feel a shoulder stretch by doing this. Then release the hands. Another inhale to chair pose. Exhale onto your back and enter reclined staff pose again. Soles of the feet facing the ceiling. Begin to breathe deeper. Then we'll lower the feet out. Turn the toes to the sides and re-enter Shavasana. So deepen the breath. We'll finish in Shavasana today. Let go of any other tension you might be feeling in your body. Bring your attention to your breath. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to stay in Shavasana for as long as you like. I often like to spend up to 5 minutes in Shavasana. But for now, until next time, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like or maybe subscribe to the channel. See you next time.